So there are these three simple steps how you can attract the right dream partner in your life.
Do you want to know how to think and grow rich? Hi, my name is Siddharth Shah. I am the CEO of Think and Grow Rich Academy. We represent the Napoleon Hill Foundation in India. Tell us what you want and we will show you how to get it.
Hi there, this is Siddharth Shah. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Well, I do many programs and seminars and now many webinars across the world. And many of my participants ask me, Siddharth, how can I use the principles of Think and Grow Rich to attract the right person in my life? And I'm sure exactly what they are asking me. Well, they want the right partner, their dream partner in their life. And I say, yes, of course, you can get your right partner, your dream partner in your life. Well, if you would like to attract the right person, maybe not your dream partner, but maybe someone in your partnership, in your business, in your mastermind, you can use these principles which I'm going to disclose you in this particular video. So there are these three simple steps how you can attract the right dream partner in your life. Step number one, take a piece of paper and draw a big circle on that particular paper, as big a circle as the page is all about. एक बड़ा सा circle आप बनाइए उसमें. That's the first step. The second step is, in the center, write down my man or my woman, or maybe say my girl, or whatever way you are connecting your emotional feelings. Write that down in the center. But remember, you cannot write a specific person's name on that particular page. Why? Well, you see, you don't have a right to play with someone else's mind. When you are putting those thought vibrations in that particular page and you are putting someone's name, you are messing with someone's mind, and that's not your right. You cannot mess with anybody's mind. So write down your man or your woman. Universe will give you the best person which is designed for you, which is destined for you. So the second step is, आप लिखिए my man or my woman, whatever which you would desire in your life. That's the second step. And the third and the most important step is, outside the circle, you draw straight lines coming across, like starbursts or the sun rays coming out of the sun. Lines draw करिए आप outside the entire circle, and on every line you write down that quality which you want in your dream life partner. So here you got to have a very clear crystal picture that कैसा लगेगा मेरा dream partner. How would he or she look like? I mean, so write down that particular quality, that she should be or he should be physically attractive or good looking or pleasant personality. जो भी आपको लिखना है, write that particular quality. Then write down maybe about his or her financial part of it. So you want a person who is financially free, or who is financially well off, or who is financially independent. You don't want to live that with a person whom you want to keep that person, right? So you write down that particular quality, that this person is financially free or financially independent or financially doing good. So write that particular quality. Maybe you can write down something about the emotional aspect, the value systems, whether that person is caring. You can write down that person, okay, that person is loving, maybe that person is understanding. You want that trustworthy person in your life. So write down those qualities. It could be anywhere from 2 to maximum 10. I mean, you can have as many number of qualities which you would want to have in your dream partner. Now you might say, oh, what is this all about? Just writing this down on a piece of paper, am I going to attract it? I'll tell you what, this is the real understanding of our programs is. The law of attraction works on a secondary level, but the primary law is the law of vibration. When you are portraying that picture, when you are portraying that particular image which you want of your dream partner, you are putting yourself in that vibrations. You are mentally living in that person. आप वो उस person के साथ में आप जी रहे हो. You are going out with that person on a date. You are going out for a drive with that particular person. You are having dinner with that person. You are watching movies with that person. You are having good time with that person. That's what you are doing it. And when you are putting those vibrations, you are going to attract the right person which you want in your life. That's how you can attract the right person. Try it out. You'll love it. This is Siddharth Shah. If you like my video, like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye.